CET Enviro. My experience with CET Enviro till now is very good. We have been using this product for about more than 3 years now. We have not faced any problem as such. Whatever it was supposed to do, it is doing its job perfectly alright. We are using STP treated water for the cooling purpose. So naturally there is lots of slime and scale deposition happening in the AC condenser was happening. So we thought this is the best way to get rid of the scale and slime formation and to have a very low approach temperature possible for these old chillers. By using CET Enviro, it is ensuring us that at any point of time we get the lowest possible approach temperature, which helps us quite a lot on the saving of electricity also. I would always say, as a maintenance engineer, wherein big chillers are involved, wherein there is no surety of good cooling water available, as we know the water is scarce nowadays, to use this ACCS product. It gives you lots of advantages. You need not to open the chiller condenser regularly. You need not to do the rodding regularly, which can create a physical, damage to the tubes as well as associated problems. And it can ensure you giving a specific lowest possible approach temperature continuously.